This lie detector was called a devil's machine and almost banned. It was the early 1920s, and the world was on the cusp of a revolution in truth detection. The polygraph, as it came to be known, promised an objective way to discern deception. Its creator, John Larson, was a pioneer in the field. He spent years perfecting the device, testing it on countless subjects. But despite its potential, the polygraph was met with intense skepticism. Many deemed it pseudoscience, a tool for charlatans and con artists. Larson faced ridicule and accusations, his work dismissed by the scientific community. But he persisted, driven by a conviction that his invention could change the world. And then, something strange happened. The polygraph started to work too well. It uncovered secrets, exposed lies, and revealed truths that some people would rather keep hidden. This was the 15-second moment of truth, when the world realized that the polygraph was not just a gimmick, but a powerful tool. Its creator was ridiculed, but his invention worked too well for some. The implications were profound. If the polygraph could detect lies with such accuracy, what other secrets could it uncover? The possibilities were endless, and the consequences far-reaching. But as the polygraph's popularity grew, so did the backlash. Powerful figures, afraid of being exposed, began to suppress the technology. They discredited Larson, questioning his methods and his motives. They claimed the polygraph was flawed, that it was nothing more than a parlor trick. But Larson knew the truth. He had seen it work, time and time again. And he was not alone. There were others, scientists and researchers, who believed in the polygraph's potential. They worked tirelessly, refining the technology, testing its limits, and slowly, but surely, the polygraph began to gain acceptance. It was used in courts, in police stations, and in hospitals. It helped to solve crimes, to uncover fraud, and to bring justice to those who had been wronged. But the polygraph's success was not without its challenges. There were those who sought to misuse the technology, to exploit its power for their own gain, and there were others who feared its potential, who saw it as a threat to their authority. The polygraph was a double-edged sword, capable of uncovering truth, but also of being used to deceive. As the years passed, the polygraph continued to evolve. New technologies emerged, new methods were developed, and the debate surrounding the polygraph continued. Some hailed it as a revolutionary tool, a game-changer in the pursuit of truth. Others condemned it as a flawed and unreliable device. But one thing was certain: the polygraph had changed the world. It had given us a new way to detect deception, to uncover secrets, and to reveal the truth. And as we look to the future, we must ask ourselves, what other truths has science tried to bury? What other secrets lie hidden, waiting to be uncovered? The story of the polygraph is a reminder that the pursuit of truth is never easy, that it is often met with resistance, and that it requires courage and conviction. But it is also a reminder that the truth, no matter how difficult it may be to uncover, is always worth fighting for. So, what other secrets will we uncover? What other lies will we expose? The journey of discovery is never ending, and the polygraph is just the beginning. What other truths has science tried to bury? The polygraph's story is one of perseverance, of a man who refused to give up, despite the odds against him. John Larson's legacy is a testament to the power of innovation and the importance of challenging the status quo. His work on the polygraph paved the way for future generations of scientists and researchers who continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. And as we look to the future, we must remember the lessons of the past. We must be willing to challenge our assumptions, to question the conventional wisdom, and to seek out the truth, no matter how difficult it may be to find. The polygraph story is a reminder that the pursuit of truth is a never-ending journey, and that it requires courage, conviction, and a willingness to take risks. So, let us continue to seek out the truth, to uncover the secrets that lie hidden, and to challenge the status quo. For it is only by doing so that we can truly understand the world around us and make progress towards a brighter future. The story of the polygraph is also a reminder that the suppression of knowledge is a common phenomenon, that it has happened throughout history, and that it continues to happen today. The polygraph suppression is just one example of how powerful figures and institutions can seek to hide the truth and to maintain their power and control. But it is also a reminder that the truth, no matter how hard it is to suppress, will always find a way to come out. The polygraph story is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the importance of seeking out the truth, no matter the cost. And as we look to the future, we must be vigilant, we must be aware of the forces that seek to suppress knowledge, and we must be willing to challenge them. For it is only by doing so that we can truly be free, and that we can make progress towards a brighter future. In conclusion, the story of the polygraph is a complex one, full of twists and turns and surprises. It is a story of perseverance, of innovation, and of the pursuit of truth. It is a reminder that the truth, no matter how difficult it may be to uncover, is always worth fighting for. And it is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the importance of seeking out the truth, no matter the cost. So, let us continue to seek out the truth, to uncover the secrets that lie hidden, and to challenge the status quo. For it is only by doing so that we can truly understand the world around us and make progress towards a brighter future. What other truths has science tried to bury?